Welcome back to another video, guys. I have so much videos coming out so soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new to my channel, like the video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and you post notification bell on, and you will know when I upload a new video. Let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, again, if you're new to my channel, like the video, share, comment, subscribe, do the stuff down below, and let's show you what I've got in my room again. It's the exact same thing, but bigger. Guys, you ready for the grand reveal? Guys, I have a boathouse. I've made it at woodwork. This is super cool, isn't it? Let me know if you do like it. Um, it's a box with paint, nails, roof. Super easy to make it in woodwork. Super fun. I have a bunch more of these in metal. I'm gonna show you that in my next video. I'll film that tomorrow, guys. I have so much videos today on the Filmora. I've been filming and editing it all day today. Please wish me luck and you cut a hole in it, guys. Um, a bird will come on here inside or on this little thing right here. I've I've made this. It has a roof, as you can see that, and this is pretty interesting, isn't it, guys? If you guys enjoy, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video when I make it. Oh, it's coming and done, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces and peace out.